My turn. I activate my spell card. Red Eye's Insight. I'm gonna fusion summon Red Eyes with the fusion summon. Red Eyes Dark Dragon. I end my turn.
I draw. I set a card. With this, I end my turn.
Here goes. I draw. I'm gonna fusion summon Red Eyes with this. I fusion summon my monster. Come on out. Meteor Black Comet Dragon's effect activates. I activate Red Eyes Dark Dragoon's effect. Let's back.
I activate magic. I expected you to do that. I reveal my face. My ever-faithful companion.
I end my turn.
It's my turn. I draw a card. I set this card. Top go, Dark Magician. My turn is done.
This is not. Here goes. I draw. I'm setting the card. Red Eyes Black Meteor Dragon activates from the graveyard. I'm gonna fusion summon Red Eyes. I fusion summon my monster. Joining me is Red Eyes Slash Dragon's effect activates.
I activate Magic Karibo's effect. I activate Magic. My ever.
I end my turn.
It's my turn. I draw a card. I activate my continuous spell.
I activate my continuous trap. Return of the Red. Let's go, Red Eye.
Go, Dark Magician.
My turn. Return of the Red Eyes calls. Let's do this. From my hand, here I go. Red Eyes Slash Dragon's effect activates.
I activate Magic Karibo's effect.
It's all over.
Exactly what I want. I activate Magic Karibo's effect. My ever. I activate Dark Magical Circle's effect.
Turn.
Here I go.
You're up.
Magician's Rod. I activate Magician's Rod's effect. I activate my Quick Play spell, Soul Servant. I activate my Quick Play spell. Playtime is over.
That
I
ain't
attack
gonna work.
with a monster. I activate Magic Karibo's effect. I use my face down. Magician's Rod. Attack. I activate my Quick Play spell, Fusion Summon. The Dark Magician. You're finished. The Dark Magician. Attack together.
Well, this wasn't a shock.